I welcome you all to today's video. People have been asking me different questions about these two major trading tool, that is the 3M trend milker trading indicator and of course the smart indicator. Okay, they want to know the one that is better and that they can use for analysis, and of course we will be checking out the two together and see how we can combine the two together and see, even if you are just having one of it, can you still make use of that one to trade conveniently and make some good amount of profit from there. And these are some of the things that we will be checking out in today's video. And of course, quickly before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said earlier on, we will be checking out these two trading tools. They are amazing trading tools, and of course they helps us to take good advantage of the market right from here. Okay, the two trading tools are so amazing, and most of my subscribers that are having it, most especially those having the two, they have been making lots of profit from there. And if you're not having the two, the one you're having with is also capable enough to give you lots and lots of profits with within the assets. Okay, so first of all, let's check out the features of the 3M trend milker trading indicator. Then we go back to that of the smart indicator, and of course we check out some of the features right from there, and we see how we can combine the two together. Now let's go straight into what we have right away. First of all, let me tell you this. Okay, both indicators are coded differently using different strategies, okay, in order to achieve the same results, which is to make profit all the time. Okay, and of course with the method which we have been using in the channel, which I've been explaining to you guys, that you need to be able to manage your trading activities, then definitely we've been making profit back to back. Okay, so we are glad that we are able to have this trading tool and the strategy that works for us. Now let's see some of the features. You can see this yellow flag. Okay, looks more like yellow, but a little bit of green added to it. Okay, this actually shows the trend of the market, which is an uptrend. Okay, and of course, like I've always been telling you, the first thing you should look out for, either you are using a custom made indicator or not, is the trend of the market. Okay, because the trend of the market will tell you what you should focus on whenever you are trading. So this flag gives us that the market is on uptrend at this point. So at this point, I don't expect you to go with a sell signal, okay, except if the trend is changing. That is when you should go with a sell signal. But at this point, I expect you to go with a buy signal. And if you should notice, you should also make sure that it is coming from the support zone. Okay, right here it's coming from the support zone. We got a buy signal around there, then we got this uptrend signal around there, and of course it kept on going up and up. You can see how in some cases like this you won't even see the sell signal popping out at all, but if the pullback is so strong, then you will see a little sell signal popping out, and of course that can deceive you a bit. But the issue is this is on uptrend, so you shouldn't go for the sell signal at all. So when it got to this resistance zone, it's changed the direction of the market into a downtrend, and of course when it is on downtrend, that is when you see this red flag. Okay, and of course the red arrow signifies that you should go for a sell order. Okay, the blue arrow signifies that you should go for a buy order. So how can you use this trading tool? Okay, but before we go that, let's check out the other the other trading tool. Okay, this is the other trading tool. Okay, this also gives us it also gives us more information about the trend of the market, and of course also helps us to know when we should go into the market and buy and when we should sell. Okay, so right here, if you can see these green dotted lines, they are uptrend signals. Okay, green dotted lines are uptrend signals. It means that the market is on uptrend at this point, and the only thing I expect you to go for is a buy signal. This green diamond shape is what signifies the buy signals, while the magenta colored one is a sell signal. Okay, so that is it. So you shouldn't do the mistake. Okay, so this is very, very important. So right here, it gives us a buy signal, and you can see it going up and up. And of course, after getting to this place, you can see the red dotted lines. Okay, those lines signifies that the market is on downtrend, and of course you should go for a sell signal at that particular point. So all these are very, very important. Okay, there is one more thing this is adding to its own future. You can see whenever you see the green dotted line forming a straight line, then definitely it shows that there is a support zone at that point. Okay, if it is a red one forming a straight line, let me try to come up with something like this. Okay, it shows that the market is on downtrend at that particular point. Okay, this is a support. It shows that there is a resistance zone around there. It might be a minor one, but there is a resistance zone. Right here is a support zone also. So those are some of the features that are there to guide you. Okay, so that you can take good advantage of the market. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's see how we can use both assets to trade. Okay, in most cases, okay, I always advise people to start from 5-minute time frame. I know we all want to trade for a very long time, but are we ready to are we patient enough for us to get the signal that will take us for a very long time on higher time frame? Then do we have the capital that can control the market, or that can help us to maintain our position within the market? And do you have the boldness to see a lot of rates within the market? Because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a major reversal in price action on lower time frame. So can you wait for a very long time before the market will continue its normal trend on higher time frame? If you can't wait and you want a quick signal and you want to make sure you close your trade on daily basis, then definitely you need to come down to lower time frame to do your analysis. To take your trade. You can do your analysis on lower time frame if you like, but you need to come to lower time frame to pick up your trade. Okay, and right here on lower time frame, you can even do more analysis right here using this custom made indicator. And that is the benefit of the custom made indicator. You don't need to be moving from one time frame to another. You can only do that for clearer analysis. Okay, but right here I can easily tell when the market is selling and when the market is buying. Okay, so right here the market was on uptrend, and of course I got a buy signal. Then definitely I should follow it, at least within this section. Sorry, let me pick this up within this section to here. Okay, I will have made a lot of profit, and right now it is selling again. We've gotten a sell signal, the downtrend signal, and of course I know it's going to sell for long. Okay, in most cases, before I pick up my trades right here, I love zooming it in a bit, and of course, so that I get this kind of structure, I will be able to do more analysis that way. Right here I know there is a support zone which has not been broken, and of course we saw it around here, and of course it actually got there around here also. So definitely it used to be a resistance zone around there, but when it got broken around there, it turned out to be a support zone, and of course it got there and was unable to break out, so it pulled back, and you will be trying it out again, and I know very well it's going to break out from there this time around. Okay, so once it breaks out from there, then I know it's going to sell more quick. These are normal movement within the market. Okay, so let's say we actually started trading around here when we got our initial order. Okay, where we got our initial order, and of course the market has actually gotten to this level. Okay, let's say it has gotten to here. Okay, all you just need to do is to adjust your stop loss to somewhere here to secure some part of your profit, and that is the beauty of it all. And as this goes down, then you still adjust your stop loss. Okay, as it goes down, you adjust your stop loss to secure more profit for yourself. This time around, you can be claiming up to 60 to 70%. Okay, as it goes down, you still adjust your stop loss. Okay, but this time around, I expect it to be claiming 75 to 80% of the profit. Okay, so that is how you do till you get to the very last stage. Now let's go back to this. Okay, to this, the same thing is applicable here. Okay, the first thing is you should get your signals right, you should get your trends right, and of course you can now go fully into it. For instance, let's say this. Okay, let's say right here we got our sell signal and we decide to go in around here, or probably shortly after breaking out from this support zone, and we decide to go in, and of course the first thing you should do is to set your stop loss somewhere here. You can set it somewhere here. I'm going to put it here. Okay, because you need to protect your capital first. You do the same thing for both assets. I mean, if you are using any of the trading tool, it is still the same method. Okay, so you pick up your trades and it started going down and down and down. You get it? Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so as it is going down, then you adjust your stop loss to lock up some part of your profits. You can lock up like 30 to 40% of the profit at first. Then as it gives you more profit, and of course you increase the margin that you are locking up for yourself. Okay, that is how you go with it till you get to the very end of the trend, or it hits your stop loss, and of course that way the rest of the profits will get back into your wallet. Okay, so it is as easy as that. Now guys, let's quickly check out this. You can use the tool indicator to confirm the direction of the market. Just make sure that they are having the same structure. Okay, you can see, let's check out this uptrend. Okay, this uptrend, we got a green flag around there and we got a buy signal around there. Are we also having the same thing here? We got an uptrend signal around here, then we also got a buy signal around there. So we are having the same thing, so definitely we can go in and trade. Okay, the same thing is applicable to a sell signal. Are we having a sell signal around, I mean a downtrend signal around there? Yes, we are having. Now let's check it out here too. We are also having a downtrend signal around here too. Okay, so when are we having our sell signal? We got our sell signal around here, and of course are we also having it here too? Yes, we are having it here. This has even popped out about 3 times, which shows that it is going to be a strong sell. Okay, so this gives us more assurance. So you can see that both indicators are so amazing, just that they are coded using different strategies, and of course you can see that sometimes this will shrink up to form some kind of information for you guys, so that you guys will understand that okay, there are some things that is affecting the trade around there, in case you want to take some quick decision around there, which this one will not even show. You can see this will just keep on giving you the normal trend. Okay, so you can see they are coded using different strategies. That is why both of them are so unique in their own way. Okay, so and of course but you can combine the two together to give you more assurance about the trading activities, about the movement of the chart, and of course on how you can go about it. And of course guys, you can also use them separately. If you are having one of them, just follow the instructions, then you will be able to milk the market successfully, most especially if you understand the aspect of managing your trading activities. Then you will always be in profit all the time. So guys, both indicators are good. They are very good, and with over 80% accuracy level. And of course the only difference I can see there is that this particular indicator is a licensed one, so it can there is a limitation on the number of accounts it can work with. Okay, while the other one is not. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so that is the only thing I see that is different there. But having the two together can help you make a better decision about the market. You can see I'm using the two. Okay, if you should notice, this is boom 1000. I also opened boom 1000 right here. Let me go to boom 500. This is my boom 500 for this, and this is my boom 500 for this. You can see this is my crash 1000, and of course let me show you my crash 1000 right here. This is my crash 1000, and this is my crash 500. Okay, this is it, my crash 500. Let me show you my crash 500 right here. You can see, so I'm using the two right here. So you two can also do the same thing if you have the ability to get the two. If it is just one you can get, then you can go for the one and use it very well. Whichever one you have with you, I'm very sure if you follow the instruction, you will always be in profit all the time. Being in profit does not really matter the amount you are making, okay, because it also depends on the trading capital and the market situation sometimes. Okay, sometimes the market will be very slow in movement, and while sometimes it will be highly volatile, whereby you can make a lot of profit if you take the right decision. Okay, so this varies. Okay, so sometimes you can make $50 today, tomorrow you make $200, and next tomorrow you make $300. The most important thing is you making profit all the time. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact